Hi, I'm Ben from Maybe Autism is My Superpower.
Hey bud, today we're going to answer some questions. I'm actually combining some questions together. Some people sent in questions asking, does Ben swing or like to swing, or does he still use a swing? And some have asked about rocking. Because I think it does the same thing for you, at least I'm going to have you explain it to us if you can. I just wanted to combine these into one video. So let's start with swinging. Ben, tell me about swinging. Do you still like to swing?
Yes.
Did you swing a lot when you were younger?
Yes.
What kind of swings did you have?
Outdoor and indoor.
Yeah, where was your indoor swing?
In my room.
Yeah. And also the outdoor swing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you like about the swing?
It helps me talk more.
It did help you talk more. How did it make you feel?
Soothed.
Soothed. That's a good word. And what would make you want to go on the swing?
Summer vacation.
Summer vacation? Like you like to go swinging on vacation?
Yeah.
But what else would make you want to go on the swing?
When I have done enough.
When you've done enough. When you feel a little bit like...
Tired. Stressed out.
Good word. Stressed out, tired, overwhelmed. When you've had enough. That was good words. Yeah, you would really crave that swing, right? And so what the swing's doing for you is it's helping to organize and regulate your sensory system. It's kind of like the spinning, what it does with the sensory system, and it does calm you down. And who would go outside with you sometimes when you were on the swing?
A therapist.
A therapist. Why?
Because they work for an agency.
Yes, they did. And I would have them do what with you while you were on the swing?
Talk to me.
Yes, because was it easier or harder for you to talk when you were on a swing?
Easier for me to talk on the swing.
Yes. So parents, if your kids are swinging, I would definitely try to speak to them then, because Ben had an easier time talking. It definitely helped his language. The movement helped the language, and the fact that it was giving him the sensory input he needed to calm himself down. It just helped to produce that speech as well as a calming effect for him. And Ben, do you still like to swing?
Yes.
Yeah, you do. Do you think you swing as much as you did when you were younger?
No.
Why?
Because I'm older now.
Older now, you don't need it as much?
You don't need it as much.
You don't feel like you need it as much. Okay. We got rid of the indoor swing, but he did use that a lot. It was good for days that were rainy or when we couldn't get him on the outdoor swing. It was good to have that inside. If you can't swing, what do you think's the next best thing?
Rocking.
Yeah. Do you still rock?
Yeah.
What do you rock on?
A rocking chair.
Right. When do you use the rocking chair?
When I'm stressed out.
What causes you to be stressed out?
Hard things.
Like what?
Flights.
Flights? Like flying an airplane? That's interesting. And what about hard schoolwork?
Yeah.
That too? So even now when you take your breaks for schoolwork, where do you sit?
On a rocking chair.
Yeah, calms you down, and it helps to just bring that sensory system into more balance. So, Ben, what do you think? Kids with autism like swinging and rocking?
Yeah.
Do you think it helps them?
Yes.
In what ways?
Good ways.
Okay. And so the answer to, does Ben still like to rock or swing?
Yes.
Yes, even though you're older, right?
Yes.
It's all good. It's calming down your sensory system. It's helping you produce speech. It's helping you feel how?
Good and soothed.
Good and soothed. So we are fans of swings, indoors and outs. It's helped Ben tremendously. Rocking chairs too. And so if your child is craving the same, just know you're not alone. I think most kids on the spectrum are craving that as well. So thank you, Ben, for this
Hopefully
information.
enjoy. Goodbye. And don't forget, autism is a superpower.
Sure is. Thanks, bud. Bye.